Here's an interesting Oldsmobile, 1978 Olds Cutlass Salon. Of course, the Cutlass name is synonymous with Supremes, but the Cutlass Salon was a model in the two doors that lasted 3 years, I believe. They'd made this in a sedan hatchback also. Those were only made for a couple years, so these were somewhat of a rare car. Now, this particular one, powered by the 4.3 liter 260 underneath the hood. In the day was a quite reliable bulletproof engine, torquey engine. That is paired with an automatic transmission. Believe it or not, you could have got these with a manual transmission in them. This one does have the automatic. Power steering, power brakes, AC, actually very clean and tidy underneath the hood. Played around with the AC a little bit. Compressor does turn on and off. Blew cool. I don't know if I'd say it was cold, but then again, I didn't have it out on the road with it running, but compressor does turn on and off. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this, check out the underside of this car. This was actually a trade-in out of Missouri, and it shows that this car came from the south up to us. Check out the underside pics, interior, engine, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Of course, the Oldsmobile style rally wheel, painted to match, which was very popular on the Supremes also. Now, I believe this color combination, this lighter color on the top here, I believe that was considered light camel, and I believe the bottom color was medium gold. Paint on this car, there's a few spots where it's been touched up. A little spot right there, if you can get it to stand out. And I also have it in the still pictures. But I mean, it's paint shows its age, but it's what you'd expect on a late 70s to early 80s General Motors car. It's actually in pretty nice shape considering that. Here's where some's been touched up. This isn't rust or anything. Somebody's touched it up back here. A little miscolored paint. So those are touch up. It's not rust. This car appears to be very nice. And again, look underneath the car at the still pictures. Got it up on the hoist. Interior, kind of a saddle color vinyl. Bench seat up front, very nice shape. Original dash, not cracked, aged, also in nice shape. Headliner's up in good shape on this car. Riding on the white walls. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And that may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to ask your sales associate about that when you call in or email. This, of course, was the 5th generation of Cutlass. Been around some. It's a smooth running car. Don't be afraid to get in this car, turn the key and go. I mean, you can look up and down the sides of it. It's straight, not full of dings, nicks, scratches, dents, anything like that. Up and around these rear wheel wells, where you'd always see the bubbling or where they'd start to rust. Don't see any of that coming through. It does not look like it's filled with a bunch of filler, Bondo, what have you. Appears to be original door panels. Cutlass Salon logo. Remote mirror in the driver's side here. Now, I played around a little bit. Wipers do work. Radio works fine. Tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Here at run, we'll check out underneath the hood. So we added a little aftermarket clock here and rear defog. Odometer reads 47,550. Cannot confirm that's original miles since the car gets to be so old. The miles do not stay on the title with it. Judging by the looks of this car and looking at the underside of it, engine bay, would not surprise me if that's original miles at all. Now, I do have pictures underneath the hood also of the engine bay, the data tag, and remember, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see those, and I'll go over that one more time before we finish this video here. But I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood and let's check out that engine bay. Alright, here we go. Got the hood popped out. One thing I want to show you on this hood liner. If you look at this hood liner, if you're from the central states, northern states, you know when you get salt in the road, all ends up on the hood liner and underneath it, it gets like a white cake to it. Nothing underneath this hood liner as far as that goes. So seems to be salt-free environment. Looking at that. Now, as you can see, power steering, power brakes. That 260, 4.3 liter, smooth running. Nice and tidy, very stock looking underneath there. And again, have this all in the still pictures. A bunch of engine bay pics, trunk pics, underside pics, interior. Check out all those still pictures. Interested in a 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon. Two-door coupe, interesting little car. Check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website to see the listing. Phone number 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.